I'm Courtney Dickerson. I'm the project coordinator in the Office of the Chief Operating Officer, Bob Obana. I work on different projects along with Bob. He manages several different initiatives across the institutes, including the strategic plan. And also we recently did the refurbishing of the lobby and other strategic initiatives across Gladstone, including our updating of our policies, and anything else that you can think all across research operations. It's changed quite a bit. So my goals and plan for this year changed rather rapidly, as they did for, I think, a lot of people at the beginning of the year when we first found out about COVID-19, and we're trying to get as much information as we could in those early days in the first couple of months of the year, and trying to understand what the risk level was for our community and what was going to happen next. And so I had a few things that were that I was ready, set to go on, but then we had to go shift gears and figure out how we could keep our essential workers on site safely, and the best way to go using the task force that was put together. Bob Obana put together a COVID-19 preparedness and response task force right at the outset, right before we had even locked the doors at the beginning of March. I help with coordinating the meetings, making sure that everyone has exactly what they need. And then I also put in action steps for what folks, who needs to do what next. I love the projects that I've seen people come out with, the Legos and the models, and my husband did a film that he transferred from Super 8 and learned Final Cut Pro, and I did not do any of those things. I have watched lots and lots of genre TV and movies. I have a theater background. My Bachelor of Fine Arts is in theater performance, and our plan for when we are retired, which I don't think would happen until we're like in our 90s, but we would just love to teach kids improv and how to tell stories and put their stories up on stage. I mean, I think an easy one is Ada Lovelace, because I would just love to hear her talk about how her brain worked. I would love to know how did she arrive at those discoveries?